got some nerve eating in the middle of a public place like this. Even for a division commander of the Whitebeard Pirates. Hello, portgas D. Ace.
Huh? No way! Not the Whitebeard Pirates!
I'm curious, what's such a big-shot pirate doing in this country?
I'm looking for someone. My little brother.
What's with this weirdo city anyway? There's some strange non-food smell all over the place! There's one! It's a restaurant!
So, what do you want from me now, Captain?
To be honest, I have no real interest in capturing you right now.
Then just look the other way.
I'm afraid I can't do that. Not as long as I'm a Marine. And you're part of a notorious pirate crew.
That's not much of a reason now, is it? How about I give you one?
Woo! Food! Now I can eat! Finally, I'm starving! I thought I was gonna die! Old guy, give me food! Hurry! Food, 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 food!